Welcome to Audible Explorer. Today we're diving into the 2025 BMW X5, a luxury SUV that combines cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and refined aesthetics. If you're considering a premium SUV, the X5's 2025 update brings exciting advancements that redefine what an SUV can be. Let's get started. According to the latest updates, the 2025 BMW X5 receives subtle yet impactful design enhancements. The iconic kidney grille remains a focal point, now available with illumination for an even bolder presence. Flanking the grille are adaptive LED headlights, which feature enhanced precision and styling. The rear seats redesigned taillights with a sleek three-dimensional effect. Buyers can choose from a range of premium metallic paint options and new wheel designs, including standard 20-inch V-spoke wheels or optional 22-inch styles for an extra sporty flair. Overall, the 2025 X5 retains its commanding stance, making it a perfect blend of sophistication and athleticism. Step inside, and the X5 greets you with BMW's luxurious Sensafin upholstery, now offered in fresh color options. For an even more premium touch, buyers can upgrade to merino leather. The cabin design features the BMW Curved Display, a stunning dual-screen setup comprising a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central touchscreen powered by BMW's operating system 8.5. This system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you seamless connectivity. The My BMW app also enhances convenience, allowing remote engine start, vehicle tracking, and even preconditioning the cabin for those chilly mornings. The 2025 BMW X5 is engineered for a versatile driving experience. The base model, xDrive 40i, features a turbocharged inline-six engine with mild hybrid technology, delivering 375 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque. For those who crave more power, the M60i variant boasts a 4.4-liter V8 engine, enhanced by a 48B mild hybrid system, producing 5,200 horsepower. BMW has also expanded its electrified offerings with the xDrive 50e plug-in hybrid. This model pairs a turbocharged inline-six engine with a 194 horsepower electric motor for a combined output of 483 horsepower. Notably, the plug-in hybrid now offers an all-electric range of up to 38 miles, perfect for emission-free city commutes. Each X5 is equipped with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, ensuring confidence on any terrain. Additionally, drivers can choose between adaptive M suspension or two-axle air suspension for tailored handling. The 2025 BMW X5 is packed with cutting-edge safety features. Standard systems include frontal collision warning, lane departure warning, and active blind spot detection. For those seeking even more, the optional Driving Assistance Professional Package introduces Highway Assistant, enabling hands-free driving at speeds up to 85 miles. Other advanced options include Parking Assistant Professional, which offers a 360-degree camera system, automated parking, and the ability to park remotely via your smartphone. With these features, the X5 stays ahead of the curve, prioritizing safety and convenience. The 2025 X5 is as practical as it is luxurious. With up to 72.3 cubic feet of cargo space, it easily accommodates everything from luggage to sports gear. The split tailgate design ensures effortless loading and unloading. For those with towing needs, the X5 can haul up to 7,200 pounds when equipped with a factory-installed trailer hitch. Inside, the available panoramic Sky Lounge LED roof elevates the sense of space and luxury, perfect for long drives or stargazing at night. Pricing for the 2025 BMW X5 starts at $6,570, $0 for the xDrive 40i model, while the plug-in hybrid xDrive 50e begins at $7,310, $0. The high-performance mixed-DI variant starts at $900, $0. BMW's latest X5 models are already available for order, with delivery starting in the second quarter of 2024. The 2025 BMW X5 is more than just a luxury SUV. It's a testament to BMW's innovation and attention to detail. With its blend of style, power, and advanced technology, the X5 continues to set benchmarks in the midsize SUV segment. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Explore for more in-depth reviews of the latest vehicles. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.